I sold my sofa, I sold my TV, I bought a caravan, and I left my old life behind.
Wait, you live in a caravan?
Yes, let me tell you what happened.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Jessica. Welcome to Easy English with Kekemu.
Real English, not textbook English.
Today, I'm sharing my caravan story. A simple story about freedom, fear, and asking for help in English.
Perfect for A1 and A2 learners. Let's begin.
For 5 years, I worked in an office.
What was it like?
Same desk, same walls, every day the same.
That sounds lonely.
Very lonely. Every morning I thought, is this my life?
I understand that feeling.
One day I was sitting at my desk and I asked myself, what do I really want?
What was the answer?
Freedom, mountains, new places every week.
So, what did you do?
I made a decision. I decided to buy a caravan.
How did you prepare?
I sold my furniture. Furniture means things in your home: sofa, bed, table.
Everything?
Almost everything. I kept my clothes and my laptop.
That's a big change.
I found a small white caravan online. Old, but perfect for me.
How did you feel?
Scared, excited, both.
Tell us about your first morning.
I woke up. For a moment, I forgot where I was.
That must have been strange.
I looked around and thought, where am I? Then I remembered. I'm in my caravan.
How was it?
I opened the door. I saw mountains. Beautiful.
That sounds peaceful.
I made coffee in my tiny kitchen. Just me, my coffee, and the mountains.
Sounds perfect.
Yes, but then I realized there was a problem.
What problem?
Water. I needed water, but I didn't know where to get it.
Oh, that's important.
My caravan has a small water tank. Tank means a container for water. But it was almost empty.
So, what did you do?
I saw people nearby. Nearby means close, not far away.
Did you talk to them?
I was nervous. Nervous means scared, worried. But I walked to them.
I would be nervous too.
I said, "Excuse me, where can I get water?"
That's a useful phrase. Did they help?
Yes, they smiled and said, "Follow us."
That makes sense. Most people are kind.
They showed me the water. They showed me where to park. They were very kind.
What did you learn?
I learned, don't be afraid to ask for help.
That's an important lesson.
If you need help, ask. People are kind.
Good advice.
Now let's learn 5 useful phrases from the story.
Phrase 1.
I made a decision.
This means I chose something. I decided.
I made a decision to practice English for 10 minutes every day.
Phrase 2.
I forgot where I was.
Be careful with the order, not I forgot where was I.
I forgot where I was.
Phrase 3.
I realized there was a problem.
Realized means I understood suddenly.
I realized there was no coffee in my kitchen.
Phrase 4. Very useful.
Excuse me, where can I get water?
You can use this for many things.
Excuse me, where can I get coffee?
Excuse me, where can I get a bus ticket? Phrase 5. The most important.
Don't be afraid to ask for help.
Don't be afraid means it's okay. You can do it.
You can use this phrase in many real situations.
Now, repeat after Jessica.
I made a decision. I forgot where I was. I realized there was a problem. Excuse me, where can I get water? Don't be afraid to ask for help.
Great job!
That's my caravan story. Thank you for listening.
Next episode, Airport English.
Subscribe for more beginner English stories.
See you next time.
Bye!